Hello! Today is the launch of the September My Monthly Hero Kit for Hero Arts, and it is absolutely amazing. I'm sharing a card using 2 of the add-on sets, and then at the end of my video I'll share a quick look at the 2 cards I created using the kit and another card using an add-on set. So let's get started. First, I stamped the moon from color layering Moonlit Night onto a piece of masking paper and used a circle infinity die to cut the approximate size of the moon. Then I adhered it to a piece of Strathmore Bristol smooth cardstock. Next, I created my spooky sky by blending soft granite, charcoal, and grape slush reactive ink randomly across the panel. I removed the mask and added a little soft granite ink over the moon to soften it up. Then I used my heat gun to dry the ink completely and swept my powder tool over the background. Next, I stamped the bottom layer of the color layering Moonlit Sky with charcoal ink. I dried it and then placed the panel back inside my MISTI. I stamped the top layer with embossing ink and heat embossed it with white satin pearl embossing powder. This gives the clouds a lovely sheen. Then I used an acrylic block to stamp the bottom layer of the clouds a few more times to fill the panel with spooky clouds. Then it was time to create my scene with the newest Heroscape. I lined up the top 2 layers of the graveyard Heroscape on my MISTI and used my scrap mask to cover the edge of the other stamp while I was inking the one I was using. I used charcoal for the middle layer and intensified black for the top layer. Then I removed those layers, lined up the bottom layer, and stamped it with soft granite ink. I'm a huge Walking Dead fan, so I was super excited to see this creepy Halloween set. I added trees stamped in charcoal and intensified black ink to frame the scene. And then it was time to add the scary parts. I stamped the bats from color layering Moonlit Sky and the zombies and gravestones from Graveyard Heroscape with intensified black ink. The slight tilt of the gravestones gives it even more of a spooky feel. Like really, what's pushing up those gravestones? Next, I added a sentiment from the kit with intensified black ink, and then I trimmed the panel down to 4 by 5 1/4. I adhered it to a pitch black card base, and that's my finished card. Perfect for Halloween. And finally, here are all the cards I created using this month's kit and add-ons. I love that you can go sweet or spooky with the kit just by changing up the colors. And the Graveyard Heroscape definitely gets you in the Halloween mood. Last but not least, I channeled my inner Bob Ross with some watercolors and the cute Happy Autumn Forest set. And that's it! You can find links to my blog and all of the products I used in the YouTube description below. Make sure to check out the September My Monthly Hero kit and all the add-ons over on my blog, and leave a comment for a chance to win a $50 gift card to Hero Arts. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, have an amazing day, and happy crafting! Bye!